This is an updated video of my previous video. In my previous video, I showed you ways to earn as an admin or when you have or own a classified ad WordPress website like Classiera. In that video, I explained, or in some of those videos, I explained bump ads, how to earn, and the meaning of the bump ads. I also explained how to earn on regular ads. Then I went ahead and explained how you can earn with featured ads, and also how to earn when you post to a particular category, meaning some categories can be free while some you need to make payments before you can post in some categories. Now I want to start from number 5 today. You can actually add banner ads to classified ad websites, and that is known as banner advertisement. You can get individual, put these banners, place these banners on your website, and from doing that, individuals can actually contact you because they want to place banners on your site, and that is another way to earn from your classified ad website. Now, affiliate link, you can actually make blog posts of any product of your choice, both physical and digital, and when your site users follow that link to either make a payment or make a purchase, you earn from such action. Now another one is a premium membership. Now there's some plugins which you can install in your site, and before you can have access or register on that site, you need to pay to become a member of that site. There are so many plugins like that. I hope in one of my future videos I'll be able to touch on this. Then this is here where the top of it all for you to build a site, and when it's now an authority site and you decide to flip or sell that site, this goes into thousands of dollars as the case may be. This is where most people find website building interesting. Now, site flipping is a very lucrative business. Most people set up a site, update it, and after 6 months, they put it up for sale, and you will see people from every part of the world bidding huge amounts for that particular website. Now I want to show you a preview of what you can get or how lucrative building an authority site and flipping it can be. Now let me take you through a site that is known for flipping or selling websites, so that you can see what I'm trying to say. FLI. Let's see the kind of things that goes on this website. Now look, this is how much you can sell a site. Now let's take a very good look at this first one, for instance. Now when you set up a site and that site is 6 months old and above, you can sell that site on this website for a very huge amount. Now this site is just 2 years old, and this is the offer, minimum offer goes for $15,000 US. I believe you know what this can do in your life. Okay, but now this is not the most expensive website on this site, Flipper. You can see a site of $394, and this is quite old, 13 years. So building and selling website is indeed a lucrative business. So apart from selling your website, you can also sell domains, apps, Shopify, and so I encourage you, if you're thinking building a website is not lucrative, you better start thinking the other way around. Yes, it's indeed a gold mine. So what you need is you can start selling. Choose one of these options and fill this form, and the site to be up, and people come bid on the site, and if you like what they're offering you, you sell the site, and that is it. And trust me, the classified ad website to be more expensive than most of these sites you see listed here, because of the kind of money a classified ad can generate. So this is 2 years. So actually, if you want to become a millionaire in 2 years time, setting up a website and having a 2-year exposed to you and working consistently on the site for the next 2 years can actually make you a millionaire. So this is what you can get when you build an authority site or any site at all, and flip it at a later date. So 8 ways to earn. All this is what you can get from Classiera. So here's the big question: do you want to own a classified ad website like Classiera or any other team? If yes, contact me in the comment section so that I can show you how to go about it. And in case you don't have the skills to build one, I can also help you in building a new site from scratch. I can actually design a brand new classified ad website or any site at all you have in mind when you contact me. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. See you soon.